Welcome to Techcybo.com. This is part 35 of creating responsive website with ASP.NET and Bootstrap. If you haven't watched the previous videos, either you watch the video or download the project files, links in the description. In this video, I am going to show you how to migrate our MDF database to the SQL Server. If you plan to use a real SQL Server instance anyways in the future, it's best to just avoid the MDF database in the app data folder. So I will show you the complete step of the migration, so keep watching. Here we are migrating our MDF database to the local SQL Server database. First, you need to install SQL Server in your system or server. I already uploaded a video about how to install SQL Server Developer Edition and how to install SQL Server Management Studio. I will share the link in the description. If you are not installed, watch the video and follow the steps. So after installing SQL Server and SSMS, open SSMS. Connect your server. Create a new database named ASP Bootstrap. Now we just created a blank database. Next, we need to execute our full database query to create our tables, procedures, and functions. I will share the database query in the description. You can copy and execute in your database. Right-click on our database and click the new query. Now paste the provided database generation code and execute it. Now refresh and check our tables, primary keys, and foreign keys. Also, check all functions and procedures also created. Everything created. Now let's coming to the code part, where we need to change our connection string. So open the web config file. First, change the data source. Delete attached DB file name, because we are no longer using the MDF file for the database. Change integrated security to SSPI. Finally, add initial catalog as ASP Bootstrap or database name. Next, we need to create the super admin user in the database. Open the user table and add the super admin. Add user type as A, because it is an admin user. Now everything is clear, just log into our system and check everything is working. So this is how we are migrating locally developed DB to the server. Here I demonstrated in local developer SQL. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up, it helps our channel a lot, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.